Forget power washers and new paint jobs. The buildings of the future may do all the work for you. That's if the building industry embraces new self-cleaning concrete. A team of researchers just developed. Researchers created a new type of concrete that is not only strong, heat-insulating and soundproof but is able to repel materials such as coffee or soda and even bounces dust particles off the wall along with the offending liquids. Scientists have tried to create self-cleaning surfaces over the years, typically adding hydrophobic materials to the surfaces. However, the chemicals tend to scratch and wear over time, but they do not weaken the concrete itself. This article published by Interesting Engineering in 20th of November 2019. Follow GCOportal.com or GCO Official on social medias for newest scientific and technological achievement in construction industry.